Here's the question. Can I download Reels from Facebook? The answer is yes and no. And furthermore, it's even a little bit more complex than that, and that is, can I download Reels or videos from my profile, from my friends' profiles, or from pages I follow from Facebook? And it's even more complex than that, and that is, can I do this on the web browser or can I do it on the mobile app on the cell phone? The answer is still yes or no. Let me try to distill this down to something that makes sense. First of all, on the desktop, which I'm in the desktop, I'm on Google Chrome on my computer, I have, in my own profile, I have Reels and videos, okay? And the same thing with my friends. She has videos and Reels, and a business page has videos and Reels, okay? On desktop. Those are the tabs you have access to. Let's go back to my profile. From my Reels on my profile, can I download a Reel? Let's go into a Reel. And I'm going to try to hit pause. And I'm going to hit the 3 dots. And look, I can save a Reel, copy the link to the Reel, but I don't have the ability to download a Reel from desktop, from my own content. Hey, let's go back for a second. Let's go to my videos. In my videos, come down to one of my videos, click on that, and I'm not even going to play it. I'm just going to hit the 3 dots. Check this out. Download video. I can download my videos from Facebook from the video tab. Go back to the top. From the video tab, but I can't download Reels from the Reel tab on the web browser. Let's go look at my friends. Here's a friend, Kristen Dokas. I go to her videos. Let's click on a video. I'm going to bring up one of her videos, hit the 3 dots, save it, follow it, copy the link to it, but I don't have the ability to download it. Let's go do another version. That's her videos. Let's go do Reels. So I'm looking at her Reels. Here's a Reel she did right here. Pause it, hit the 3 dots, save the Reel, copy the link to the Reel. I don't have the ability to download from my friend's personal content. Let's go look at one more. This is a page. Here's a page and here's her Reels. If I bring up one of her Reels, if I pause it, hit the 3 dots, save the Reel, copy the link, but I don't have downloaded. Go back one more. Let's go look at her videos. Here's a video she has. Click on her video and hit the 3 dots. Save it, follow it, turn it on, copy the link. I don't have the ability to download. In summary, in the web browser, on a computer, on Facebook, you have the ability to download your own videos. Right here, I can download my videos. You cannot download, let me stop that. You cannot download, go to Reels, click on a Reel, pause it, 3 dots. I cannot download my own Reels. I can only download videos. And furthermore, I can't download Reels or videos from other people or pages on Facebook. Only my own videos. Now, I'm going to switch over and I'm going to do the same test on the mobile app on my iPhone. So let me go do that and I'll show you what I come up with there. All right, let's do the same test on the mobile app. Now, first of all, there's a big difference in the mobile app. I don't have a Reels and a video tab on my own personal profile. I have videos. I don't have Reels. I only have videos. And under videos, wow, there's the Reel that showed up and actually referred to it as creating a Reel. That's the Reel that I saw on my web browser interface. Let's click on that and see what I can do. Clicking on the 3 dots, check it out. Besides Save Reel, I have Download Reels. So I can download my Reels from the mobile app. Let's go look at that video that I had earlier. Where's the video? There's the video right there. Click on that. Okay, so this is actually one of my videos. They call it a Reel, and check it out. I have the ability to download this Reel from my profile on the mobile app. Let's go look at my friends. Let's go look at Kristen. Let's go to her videos. And there's the first reel that I try to do on a computer. Let's click on that. So when I click on the three dots on her reels, I do not have download. I have saved the reel, but no download option in the mobile app. Now let's go find the other video that she did. Give me 1 second to find that. This was really difficult to find videos on the Facebook mobile app. I had to, instead of going to her profile, I had to do a search for Kristen and then click on videos. I'm struggling to find the video that I was using for the test, so I'm going to grab another video. Here's a video that Kristen did, so I'll click on that. If I hit the three dots, I have the ability to save it, add Kristen, unfollow, report, but I do not have the ability to download it. Let's do one more test. Let me do Spin Frogs. Here's one of Spin Frog's videos. I've watched her video.
Hey, good morning,
pause it, hit the three dots. This is a page. There's copy, save, but there's no download. Let me do Spin Frog's Reels. Give me a second for find her Reels. Let me click on this reel. Let me click on the three dots. And under the three dots, I have saved the reel, copy link, but no download reel. Here's my summary. If you want to download your reels or your videos, do it from the mobile app on your cell phone. And I tested it on an iPhone. I don't know what it does on an Android. I'm hoping it's the same thing, maybe the same thing on an iPad or a tablet. But from a web browser, you cannot download your reels. You can download your videos. And furthermore, you can't download anybody else's content, a Facebook friend or a page, no matter what device or interface you are using.